In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly on Squarespace. If you want visitors to book appointments directly from your website, adding a Calendly embed is a simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, we'll grab the embed code from Calendly and place it into a Squarespace code block so the scheduler can appear right on your page. First, go to your Calendly account and locate the event or scheduling page you want to embed. From there, click the three-dot menu. This opens more options related to that booking page. In the menu, choose Add to Website. That's the option that gives you different ways to place Calendly on an external site. Next, select Inline Embed. This is usually the best choice if you want the calendar to appear directly inside the page content rather than as a pop-up or floating button. Once you choose that option, click Copy Code. That copies the embed code you'll need in Squarespace, so keep it ready in your clipboard. Now switch over to Squarespace and open the page where you want the Calendly scheduler to appear. In the page editor, click Add Block. Squarespace will show you different block types you can insert into the page. In the search field, type code to quickly find the correct block. When the code block appears, click it to add it to the page. After the block is placed, click the pencil icon to edit that block's settings. This opens the area where you can insert custom code. Paste the Calendly embed code that you copied earlier directly into the code block. Once it's pasted in, save or apply the changes so Squarespace can load the embedded scheduler. If the embed doesn't appear the way you expect, there's an important thing to keep in mind. Squarespace code blocks may require a paid plan, so if you're on a plan that doesn't support this feature, the Calendly widget may not display properly. If that happens, check your Squarespace plan details before troubleshooting anything else. A good final tip is to preview the page after pasting the code so you can make sure the scheduler loads correctly and fits nicely within your layout. If needed, you can adjust the surrounding page design to give the embed more space and make it easier for visitors to use. That's it. Once the code is in place and your plan supports code blocks, your Calendly booking page should be embedded on Squarespace and ready for visitors to schedule with you directly from your site.